Everyone, near the end of the week for us. It's a Coningsby day, so it's our longest day travelling, 100-mile round trip basically. It's a day we look forward to doing. You've probably seen in past videos because it's an area I used to work in. I've got old friends that way, and Matthew and Sophie, it just brings back the days of when we're all in the RAF, living on the bases and stuff like that. The weather though, it is wet. No idea how hard it's going to rain down there. Dream team, Matthew, Sophie and myself as usual. See how we get on. Another reason why we like the Coningsby day is it means we're going to get McDonald's breakfast, which is where we are now. We've got 15 cleans to do today, so we'll get cracking once we've had something to eat and a cup of tea. Right, that's the 2 in Boston done. We've now got 13 cleans left for the day. We've got to drive to somewhere called Stickney now. We just got 1 out there this time. Next month we'd have 3, but that's the way it falls. Anyway, the weather, the rain sort of comes and goes. It's now gotten a bit heavier than it was before. Thank God for waterproof jackets. If only they were actually waterproof. Anyway, see how we get on. Right, so 1 in Stickney done. We're now going to head off to the last 12, which are all in Coningsby and Tattershall. So it will start to go quick, especially when we get the next 2 out of the way. Everything else is quite close to each other and we'll make up for a lot of time. And it's now started raining again. Right, so those 2 done. We've just stopped off at the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight Centre, cup of tea break. And we're now going to crack on, just had something to eat. 10 cleans left to do, 4 of them in Tattershall, 6 of them all in Coningsby itself. So the day will go really quick now. And the weather has improved, it stopped raining, whee! That's all the cleans done now in Coningsby. We've just got 4 left to go in Tattershall, which is very close by. All 4 are in a cul-de-sac, right close to each other. 2 bungalows, 2 houses, so it won't take the 3 of us long to do that. The weather, the sun has come out, you wouldn't believe the difference. So we're all drying out. These two are now happy, and it's 1:20, so for us this is really early for a Coningsby day, but we didn't have as much on as what we normally do neither, and we have stopped for a cup of tea break anyway, so far a good day. $156, that's those 4 done. They're nice because they're close, makes it easier to do with the 3 of us, 2 bungalows, 2 houses, and it helps when they stay clean as well. So that's us done. So yeah, that's another early finish this week. Could definitely get used to this, but it was a smaller day for a Coningsby day than what we're used to as well. So that's it now. Now I've just got to head home. Thanks for watching. If you already haven't done so, like, share, subscribe, all that sort of thing. And here's another video for you to watch. Stay safe. See you later.